For governments, innovation is about addressing concerns that affect everyday lives of citizens while reducing time and resource waste along the way. As a result, problem-solving needs to be faster and more effective, pushing the boundaries of creativity and innovation. Specific cases have been highlighted to capture novel, replicable, and impactful initiatives, underlining themes that reflect new patterns for problem-solving in the public sector. First, in Mozambique and Tanzania, rats were used to detect two threats: a public health crisis due to tuberculosis and a public safety crisis due to landmines. Second, drones were an ideal solution to Rwanda's struggle of in-time delivery of medicines and goods due to the lack of rail and road networks. Third, Mexico City's lack of parks and beautified spaces due to high costs of renovation was resolved by working with communities to develop 30 pocket parks across the city. Fourth, pollution produced by 1,000 cars was eliminated in Mexico City by installing a specifically designed facade module on hospitals, which significantly improved the air and health of the hospital's patients, workers, and neighborhood residents. Fifth, in the US, to capture high engagement levels for pandemic preparedness, an online zombie task force was created to coach participants on how to make an emergency plan and kit in case of real emergencies using a potential zombie pandemic as the storyline. Sixth, to address China's massive amount of obsolete devices, an e-waste recycling app was produced to match device owners with recyclers who could buy the obsolete items. Seventh, the UAE Ministry of Health worked with partners to design and develop a virtual reality surgical lab that simulates real-life operations to train surgeons, making the delivery more humane, effective, and efficient. Eighth, a web platform was started in Portugal for sharing personal treatments and solutions of patients with rare or chronic diseases who have resorted to non-medical caregivers. This has opened doors for further innovation in treatments. Ninth, for greater participation in neighborhood improvement projects, London partnered with a crowdfunding website to create a platform for local organizations to propose projects and raise money. 10th, in Brazil, a user-friendly data visualization portal was introduced to draw data into narratives to help understand Brazil's locations, occupations, industries, products, trade partners, and other data sets. 700 million possible interactive visualizations have been curated so far. 11th, in the European Union, an online intelligence system that harvests and analyzes multilingual information from the internet addressed the government's challenge of accurate and timely information. It can detect emerging trends, provide early warning of public emergencies and health epidemic, and assess if the sentiment in each article is positive or negative. Such examples showcase governments that want to push the boundaries of innovation, and they do so by reimagining existing processes, deploying flexible infrastructures that are adaptive and multi-purpose, analyzing patterns of human cognition and behavior to design policies, applying existing technologies in new areas, relying on mass input and crowdsourcing for better collective decision-making, making data available and easily accessible for agencies and citizens to use. Lessons from those who are at the edge of government innovation tells us that the opportunities for innovation are limitless and waiting to be discovered.